how to create OK account. So if you want to create OK account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you've installed the application. You can go with your Play Store or your App Store and install OK application. After installing, you can launch your OK. Now after launching, if you don't have an account and if you want to create, then you can go with sign up, which is on the bottom, and you need to go with the phone number. So go with the country code, enter the mobile number, and then enter your country and region and tap on next. Or if you don't want to go with your mobile number, then you just need simply go with your email. So I'll just simply go with the mobile number and go with country and region and then tap on next. And after that, you'll receive a code to your mobile number or you'll receive a call. You just need simply confirm or verify if it's you or not. And after that, your account will be created. So that's how you can create your OK account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.